This is such...
Howdy, folks, and welcome aboard the Rocky Mountain Railroad. Our journey today takes us through Calamity Canyon, through some Indian territory and some wild bandit country, but we hope to get you safely to your destination. Be sure to keep your arms and legs safely inside the train and we'll be off. Now everybody raise your right hand in the air. I said your right hand, and look to your left. Now wave goodbye to everybody on the platform. Oh my. Here we go. Keep your eyes peeled for those bandits flank chasing Mexican people. This river here saw a gold rush some days back. It's all gone now. This whole time is still even looking. Oh my, something fishy going on here. Look at that grizzly just a helping himself. Hey, has anyone seen any bandits in a while? I get the feeling we're going to see some before long. Uh-oh, there's Jose. He never gets an old mule across that bridge, not never, not alone. Hiya, boys, having some breakfast? How are you doing? Pretty well by the sound of things. Now there's an old coal miner's shack. They say he's sitting on a fortune. Not for much longer. Now the last time I came by here, the great big grizzly bear was putting those Indians in the peril of their lives. Don't suppose he'll be there this time around, mind you. Gosh darn me, there he is. Look at the size of that grizzly bear. Uh-oh, I think we're in trouble, folks. Keep your heads down, and if you see any bandits, you gotta help me shoot at them, right? The only way out of here is through this old mine. Everybody hold on now, here we go. Silver and rattlesnakes, if it ain't the cavalry. You just arrived in the nick of time. Mighty good to see you, boys. Come on, everybody, let's give them a hand. Let's see if we can beat those bandits. Looks like Mexican Pete's gonna blow us all up. Keep your heads down and keep firing now, everybody. Oh no! We hit the old steam boiler. Oh my, yeehaw! We made it! We made it! Everybody all right? How about that for a close shave? Everybody stay on the train until we come to a complete stop. Many thanks for riding Rocky Mountain Railroad. Please leave the train on the left-hand side. We hope to see you again sometime. Have a nice day now.